Hey there, girlfriend. Super excited to be here with you as always. And today we wanted to talk to you about why confidence in networking is possible, even if you're an introvert. So let's do this, shall we? So girl, this has been on my heart today, and I really wanted to share some key ingredients that you definitely want to make sure that you do before you go to a networking event. In addition to that, I also want to talk to you about what you want to do while you're there. And then last, but definitely not least, I want to talk to you about something that you definitely want to avoid. So let's talk about what you want to do before the event. Now, as introverts, we are not ones that really shoot from the hip or the lips. So you want to first and foremost be prepared. Do you know who you want to meet when you're going there? Do you know a little bit about the networking event that you would possibly find your dream collaborating partners or even your ideal client there? These are the type of things you definitely want to know about before you get there so that it can be a beneficial experience for you. Because nothing's worse than going to an event and realizing when you get there that the people that are there are not who you're looking for. So then you're making more friends than you are making money. And girlfriend, we definitely got to be strategic about this. So first and foremost, know a little bit about the event, who is putting the event on, the type of people that are going to be there, if they're your ideal client, and then how many people you're actually going to want to meet when you get there. Because as you know, as introverts, we drain our social battery by interacting. So we got to conserve it, girlfriend. So we're very similar to a cell phone. Like when you get on your cell phone and you text and you call and you scroll the internet, your battery is going down. When we go out and interact with people at a networking event, our social battery is going down. So you want to make sure that you're spending time, first and foremost, where the people are that you want to connect with. And then last but definitely not least, that you know how many people that you're going to connect with. So make sure you know all of that before you go, because you want it to be a beneficial experience. So now that we've talked about what you want to do before the event, let's talk about what you want to do while you're there. Now, typically when you go to the event, you may feel pressure in talking to as many people as you possibly can. But girl, we know that we operate in quality more so than quantity. We want quality type of folks. So we want to make sure, again, that's why it's very key for you to know what the type of people that are going to be there, and make it a point to mingle. And when I say mingle, don't just talk to somebody the whole time, because I know that we have a tendency to do that. We found somebody that we really mesh with and we can relate to, and we're going to end up talking to them all day. The whole point of you going to this networking event is to expand your network. So make it a point to talk to more than one person while you're there. And then make it show that you're interacting with them, even being vulnerable with them. Let them know, I was a little nervous when I got here. Really wasn't sure if this was the event that I was going to attend, because I'm looking for XYZ type of people, because I help them do XYZ or help them get to the XYZ promised land. So when you do that, that's going to help you better connect with folks, because first and foremost, you're putting yourself out there. You're being completely transparent, which is very attractive. And then you're being relatable, because I'm pretty sure the person that you're talking to is probably feeling maybe some of those things already. And you just opening up and telling them that, they're going to be more likely to really connect with you. So I know if when I go to a networking event, the first thing I'm going to tell them is, hey, I serve female entrepreneurs with introverted tendencies, and I'm all about helping them use their introversion as a superpower more so than a limitation. So, that's going to definitely open up some doors for me. That's going to let people know exactly who I serve. The person I may be talking to may also be an introvert too. And because of that, we have something that we can really connect with because we have a commonality. So make it a point to take the time to connect with folks, be relatable, be vulnerable, even have that one-liner so that you can share exactly what you do, because you're going to build connections instantly as a result of that. Because we know we don't like a whole bunch of small talk. We don't want to talk about the game. We don't want to talk about the weather or even the traffic that we encountered while we were getting there. We want to really talk to the folks that have a commonality with us or may know someone that has a commonality with us. So make sure that you're taking the time to really be relatable, to be transparent, to be vulnerable, vulnerable and really connect with people while you're there. You definitely want to connect. So the thing that I really wanted to share with you is something that you definitely want to avoid, okay? And the first and foremost thing that I want you to avoid was one, like I had already mentioned, talking to that one person the whole time. Don't want you to do that. 2 is feeling like you have to stay for the whole event. You may have a networking event that may be a couple hours, especially if it's in person. Typically, I'm going to say typically if this is an in-person event, you have more flexibility when you leave. Although you could still do this in a virtual too, because if you feel like your battery's really being drained, or you need to take a break, or something is going on that's really not allowing you to be yourself, that you really would really connect with people, if you're not feeling like you're in that frame of mind, don't feel like you're obligated to stay for the whole event. Make sure that you have the number of people that you want to meet, and after you meet them, leave. You don't have to stay for the whole event. So don't feel like you have to be there the whole time, because I know you can get kind of antsy and not very social is what I will say. I know my father used to call it a Detroit attack when I had those moments where I really wasn't trying to be social. I really wanted to be by myself. And most of the time it was because I was tired and hungry. I would call that AKA introvert hangover. And that would be the time that you would want to leave. You don't want to be around people. The whole point of you going to the event is to be social. And if you feel like you're going on that other side of the introvert hangover, you definitely want to pull yourself out and say deuces and be gone. Okay? So make sure that you take the time to plan out your event. Make sure that while you're there, you're interacting with people and really connecting with them by having your one-liner that shares exactly who you serve and how you serve them. So you can really connect with people that could potentially be a collaboration partner or a potential client for you. So I wanted to give you an opportunity to put these things that I just shared with you in practice. I have an in-person networking event that I do on a monthly basis. So if you are on the Gulf Coast and would love to come to the event, we would love to have you. So I'm going to put the link to the event down in the description. It's called Network Like an Introvert. So come on, hang out with us, get to know us. We have a lot of one-on-one interactions where we're really centered around collaboration, which is the happy place for introverts. And we really want to encourage you to be your authentic self, which is another thing I don't want you to do when you go there, is faking like you're somebody else. We really want you to be you. Do you, boo, as I say all the time. So come hang out with us. As always, share this with 3 of your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.